Welcome back to the channel. Today we are analyzing a stunning modern farmhouse design that perfectly balances rustic charm with contemporary living. At just under 3,000 square feet, this 4-bedroom plan features a spectacular 2-story great room that truly defines the heart of the home. It's the kind of design that feels immediately welcoming and brand. If you want to see the full specifications, pricing, or purchase building rights for this plan, check out the link right down in the description or comments. Let's start here on the main level, which sits at about 95 feet wide. The real showstopper is this central living area. It's a massive open concept space that's 2 stories high, creating incredible volume right as you enter from the front porch. It flows seamlessly into a large dining area and a kitchen featuring a substantial island. I love how the prime bedroom suite is completely isolated on the left wing for maximum privacy, featuring a generous bath and large walk-in closet. On the opposite side, you have a highly functional mudroom and laundry zone connecting to the angled 2-car garage, which is perfect for busy families needing a dedicated drop zone. The indoor-outdoor connection here is also fantastic, with access to both covered and open porches right off the main living areas. Moving up to the 2nd floor, you really get a sense of the drama created by that living room below. This central open-to-below space connects the upstairs bedrooms via a balcony hallway, keeping the whole house feeling connected and airy. This level is ideal for kids or guests, featuring 3 good-sized bedrooms. 2 of them on the left share a convenient Jack and Jill bathroom, while the 4th bedroom on the right has its own private ensuite, making it perfect for an older child or a guest suite. And finally, looking at these lower-level plans, we see incredible potential for entertainment and flexible living. This isn't just a basement, it's a destination. You have a huge play or recreation area centered around a wet bar with island seating. There's an adjacent den for cozy movie nights and another full bathroom. A large flex room is tucked away in the corner. This would make an excellent quiet home office, a gym, or easily serve as a 5th bedroom for long-term guests. Plus, it walks right out onto a lower-level patio, extending that living space outdoors. As we analyze these exterior renderings, the versatile beauty of this modern farmhouse design becomes clear. It features classic elements like steep gables, metal roofing accents over the porches, and a mix of vertical board and batten siding. The angled garage isn't just practical for certain lot shapes. It adds dynamic visual interest to the facade that breaks up the linear feel. Whether you prefer the crisp white farmhouse look, a warmer natural wood siding, or even rustic stone veneer accents, this architecture provides amazing curb appeal, suitable for suburban developments or sprawling rural lots across North America. Looking at these interior concepts, the vibe is bright, clean, and incredibly inviting. The kitchen aesthetic pairs crisp white shaker cabinets with a beautiful contrasting green island and warm gold hardware, accented by gorgeous pendant lights. You can see the impact of that 2-story living room with its towering stone fireplace and massive windows letting in tons of natural light. The finishes throughout, from the warm wood flooring to the barn door slider in the primary suite, and the spa-like primary bathroom with its freestanding tub, all contribute to a feeling of relaxed luxury. There is so much to love about this layout. The dramatic 2-story living room gives it a real wow factor, and the private main floor master wing is a huge plus for homeowners wanting a quiet retreat. The mudroom connection to the garage is incredibly practical for daily American life, and the extensive rear porches really maximize outdoor living options. As for considerations, the angled garage, while attractive, might require a wider lot than a standard front-load garage, so you'll need to check your land dimensions. Overall, this 2,858 square foot plan is a masterclass in modern farmhouse design, offering a perfect blend of open entertaining spaces and private functional zones. It's unparalleled in its ability to feel both grand and cozy at the same time. If you are dreaming of building a home like this, make sure to check the link in the description or comments below to explore all the detailed plans and purchase options. Thanks for watching.